Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka lesson right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pom.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And it is time to talk about music again, because here at ICRT we love playing music, we love talking about music, and it's time to spread more Hakka music. 借由这个 Hakka 这个单元呢，来多了解一下这个 Hakka 的音乐。Hakka 的音乐。I remember last month we talked about a band called 应景唱流。
硬将冲流乐团
Okay, that was a band that we featured last month, and I understand there are a lot of other great bands out there. 其实还有什么样的乐团在你印象中是值得介绍的？
好客乐团。
好客，这是一个乐团吗？
是啊。
好客
乐团。
好 who 好客
没好客是好客。
哦 ，OK， 好客哦，好客，好客嘛 ，OK， 那他们有什么样的音乐嘞？以客家为主吗？
没有，还有同到唱那个好老的音乐，
好老的音乐 ，OK，
还有原住民的音乐，
原住民哦，就原住民的音乐，
还有西非的音乐，
西非是这边说
西非
哦，你说非洲的西边的西非吗？哦，哇 ，OK， so there's a lot of elements。But 这样，第一个你讲的是什么？好
老就是福
建。Okay, so there's a lot of different elements that they have, including, of course, the Hakka. They have stuff from Fujian. They also have Aboriginal stuff, and also from West Africa. 这应该蛮好听的一个乐团。
记得有得奖呢。
也有得奖过哈。Okay, so this band called 好客乐团。好客 band from the Hakka culture has also earned an award in the past. I think it was last year, 对不对？好像是去年得到金曲奖之类的。
2006年
2006年。
去年。
因为我们做 DJ 的常常会问人家说，哎，你喜欢什么样的乐团？我们顺便来教一下大家怎么说你喜欢什么样的乐团呢
？Okay, 你最喜欢
That means what do you like?
哪一个
which
乐
团 which band basically. So which band do you like the most? 那如果是要问说，你喜欢什么样的音乐呢？
你喜欢乜嘅音樂？
變乜嘅音樂？錯。That does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.